the box. Yeah.
I had to tape it shut.
Are you filming all this or something?
Yeah. Because then you can take pictures from the film. It's gonna be a long video.
I noticed. It's almost over though.
Okay.
Dun dun dun.
I don't know if you'll know what it is.
I do know what it is. Actually, thank you, honey. I know. I love these things.
Have you had it before?
Yes, I've had one before.
Yeah.
Wish I could lie to you and tell you no.
Aw.
But they're awesome. They grow like wicked fast.
Well, I got you chili peppers and basil.
Seed starter tray.
And basil.
Can I have a hug?
Yeah.